So I am super excited because now I am in my new creative space. I've finally been able to unpack a box I have been waiting for until the move. So the Colour Cottage mica powders. I am so looking forward to having a play with some of these colours. I've managed to finally have my full selection on show, and I cannot wait to work on a project with these. If you've not tried out the Colour Cottage Pigments before, make sure you give them a go. They are beautiful and mixing with resin wonderfully, and they always have the most vibrant colour with a tiny little bit of shimmer in there and sparkle. And I cannot wait to connect with you all and show you what projects I can work with these. And I am so happy to be back in my studio, or should I say in my new space, and start to create again. So anyway, I'm Sharon, I'm digressing. Have the most amazing day, and thank you for all your support, and I cannot wait to show you the projects that I'm going to work with these.